Hello everyone. Today I want to address an issue on Splunk, which is related to your apps. And once you're clicking to browse the app, you're receiving this type of error. Basically, there is a file under, um, if I want to show you, is under this path. C program file Splunk etc system default. So you go there and there is like a configuration server.conf. And then you look for sslVerifyServerCert. So you see here is true, then make this one as false and save the configuration. And here, after saving this configuration, you restart server control, you go under server control and restart, and then you shouldn't face this issue. So I pause the recording. Once it restarted, I'll show you the um, output. You see that the server restarted, and then um, I'm going to find more apps. You see that now it resolved the issue. I hope this has been informative for you guys, and thanks for watching.